Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the washer lid on your Frigidaire laundry center, you will need a putty knife and a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord. Using the putty knife, release the two retaining clips securing the washer's main top. Lift up the top and disconnect the lid lock assembly wire connector. You can now fully remove the main top and set it upside down on a towel or blanket. Release the tension on the lid springs and detach the springs from the main top and hinge bars. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing both hinge bars to the lid. Push the hinge bars through the bearings, then twist the bars to remove. Removing the hinge bars will fully separate the old lid from the main top. To prepare the new washer lid for installation, you will need to transfer the lid strike and bumper from the old lid to the new one. Now align the new lid with the main top. Insert an appropriate hinge bar through the hole in the lid and bearing. Twist until the bar sits flush against the inside edge of the lid. Thread the screws to secure. Repeat for the opposite side. Reattach the shorter ends of the lid springs to the hinge bar and the longer ends to the main top. Returning to the appliance, reinstall the main top by first reconnecting the lid lock wire connector. Secure the wire in the retaining clip. Now slide the rear of the main top under the rear retaining clips. Then realign the main top and push down to snap it into position. Plug the power cord back in, and your laundry center should be ready for use.